Today we are exploring a gated community in the heart of the South Bay, 360 South Bay in Hollyglen, and we will be covering everything from its prime location, the floor plans of the community, the lifestyle of the community, and price points. And we'll also take you around on a driving tour of the community so you can check it out for yourself. I'm Ashley Novak with Novak Schultz Real Estate Group at Compass, and if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. And if you want to know everything about living in the South Bay and LA area, make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for notifications so you can live life like a local. And whether you're looking to make a move now or just planning ahead for your future, all of our information is in the description below, and we would love to hear from you. Send us a text, give us a call, shoot us an email, or schedule a Zoom. And don't forget to check out our description to check out community tours, neighborhood guides, and to set up a home search. 360 South Bay is a gated community within the Hollyglen neighborhood of Hawthorne, and it's located between the 405, Aviation, Segundo Blvd, and Wiseburn Street, and it is a super convenient location. You're located just 3.5 miles southeast of LAX. You're close to the 405 and the 105 freeways. You're 4 miles to the sand in Manhattan Beach. You're close to tons of shopping and restaurants. You have nearby Manhattan Village, The Point, Plaza El Segundo. So pretty much any shopping, restaurants, grocery stores, parks, entertainment that you could ever need is a very short distance from this area. You also have the metro that's close by as well. And you're also located close to a lot of Fortune 500 companies. So you have Raytheon, SpaceX, Mattel, Chevron, Northrop Grumman, just to name a few. You're also in the Wiseburn School District, which is a highly sought after school district. It's ranked as a top 25 school for best school districts and diversity for Los Angeles County. Children in this neighborhood would attend Juan Dianza Elementary, Richard Henry Dana Middle, and Da Vinci High School. And Da Vinci High School is a charter school, and it combines homeschool with classroom project-based learning. So it's a really unique concept, and it's highly rated on greatschools.org. They get a 10 rating, and you have a lot of people moving into the district specifically for that high school. Pricing widely varies within the community. In the past year, you've had one-bedroom condos that have sold for $700,000, but you've also had four-bedroom single-family detached homes that have sold for $1.65 million. And it really depends on the size of the property, the condition of the property, and the location within the community. Because you are bordered by major streets and a metro line and the 405, if you're one of the homes that are facing or close to one of the larger streets, the metro or the freeway, those homes are significantly lower than, say, if you're in the center of the community where it's private and quiet and you have treetop views. This community also has HOA dues, so those range from $230 to $700, and that depends on the property. They're also subject to change based on what the HOA votes. But for this community being newer construction and all that the amenities that it has to offer and the great location, it is a great value, because if you compare it to neighboring cities like Manhattan Beach, where the median condo price is $2 million and the median single family price is $3 million, it is a huge value here. Within the 360 South Bay community, you have micro neighborhoods. You have the towns, the rows, the terraces, the flats, the courts, and the gardens. And in the description below, I'll put a link to our website and our blog that will have all of the floor plans laid out for you, so you can check those out. The towns are townhouses within the community with 5 different floor plans ranging from 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and 1,500 square feet for the smallest of the units to a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 2,100 square foot townhouse on the larger side. These townhomes were inspired by historic Los Angeles architecture. You have open concept living and dining spaces and spacious bedrooms. All of the townhouses are 3 floors and include an attached 2-car garage. Some units have dens, some units have lofts, and some units have both. To give you an idea of pricing, this townhouse right behind me is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 2,100 square foot townhouse, and that sold for $1.4 million in February of 2023. The row includes 3-level townhouses, and there are 3 floor plans. The units range from 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 1,500 square foot homes to 3 bedroom, 3 bath, 2,100 square foot homes with an attached garage. Some units have tandem parking and others have side-by-side parking. You have bright and open 2-story living areas, large kitchens and dining rooms, office space, and lots of storage. To give you an idea on pricing, this home right behind me is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,100 square foot row townhouse, and it's an end unit and sold for $1.375 in August of 2022. The terraces are single-family homes within the community and were also inspired by the modern architecture of historic LA neighborhoods. They are the only detached homes within 360 South Bay and have no shared walls. There are 5 different floor plans ranging from a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,700 square foot home to a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,500 square foot home. These homes are 3 levels and include attached garages with side-by-side parking and large 3rd-floor roof decks that are perfect for indoor-outdoor living. They also include private yard areas and flexible and large bonus rooms. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,100 square foot terrace home right behind me sold for $1.56 million in April of 2023 to give you a better idea on pricing. The flats are single-level condos that range from 950 square foot studios to 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,700 square foot condos. There are 8 different floor plans, and each condo has a private 2-car tandem or side-by-side garage. These units are located in a secure building with an elevator, and the lack of stairs make these units popular. The court includes townhomes ranging from 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 1,300 square feet to 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath plus lofts and almost 2,000 square feet. These townhomes have 3 different levels with 4 different floor plans, and all townhomes include an attached garage and private outdoor patio. The courts are situated in smaller 5 or 6 unit buildings, and the units feature open kitchens and floor plans. So behind me is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,460 square foot court townhome that sold for $960,000 in March of 2023, so you have a better idea of what they are selling for. The garden townhomes rarely come up for sale because there are so few of them because the builder decided not to build any more of that style of home. And unfortunately, we do not have floor plans of those units. Joining us on this tour of 360 South Bay. I hope you found some value, and if you did, give us a like and comment below if there's a specific tour or area that you would like to see. And whether you're moving, renting, or just exploring your options with the area, we're here to help. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or schedule a Zoom. We'd love to answer any of your questions in the South Bay and LA area so you can live like a local. We'll see you here next time.